See, they want to wonder what you're doing in your life. What you got going on. What you got going on? I'm worried about people or what they doing or how they living. If you worry about you, Mo, you'll be okay. Because people are always looking down on somebody. Before they took the time to look in the mirror. Let me show you the mirror. You see the mirror? Reflecting. See the mirror? Hold on. See the mirror? You see it? Hey, mirror. It's me. Mirror, mirror on the wall. See that mirror? Can you tell me who to call when the one I love is loving somebody you can see? Man, start with yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror. Say, I'm beautiful. I love myself. I love me. Like that. Nobody has authority over my life. Be positive. My husband calling me. Gotta go. Yes, Tremaine Harris. Tremaine. Sick of you too. No bullshit.